What's the meaning of commissionaire? Commissionaire. Commissionaire.
Commissionaire. Commissionaire. A commissionaire is a person who acts as an agent on behalf of another person or company. They may be responsible for representing the interests of their client in business transactions, managing contracts and agreements, and negotiating deals. They may also act as intermediaries between parties involved in a dispute or legal matter. The role of a commissionaire can vary depending on the industry and context in which they operate, but overall, they are typically tasked with ensuring that their clients' interests are well represented and protected.